the 10 most expensive apartments in New York City. Since the enforced stay-at-home days, the average property price of homes in New York City is at $646,000. And there is no doubt that New York City contains some of the most coveted and expensive luxury properties in the world. By the end of this video, you will get to know the most expensive homes in New York City. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't and the notification bell to get the updates as they come. Some of the most expensive homes are available in New York City's real estate market, from townhouses to penthouses. 36 East 63rd Street, New York. This home on East 63rd Street spans 15,875 square feet, and it has close to 10 bedrooms and 15 bathrooms. Situated mid-block on Upper East Side Street, the home is exceptionally wide and gorgeous. The neo-Georgian mansion has this stately presence that conveys a sense of quiet magnificence. The house has distinctive features, including a classic limestone and red brick facade, enhanced with beautiful stone ornaments. It even has a magnificent 3-story bow front. It sells for $60 million and is only accessed through wrought iron portals that flank 2 sets of wide double doors. The first floor contains a vast and marvelous family room, a book-lined study, a large breakfast room, an eat-in kitchen with spectacular appliances, and a charming garden with a glass pavilion and waterfall. The service door at the entry level has a security office, and in the basement is a spectacular movie screening room, a wine cellar, exercise room, staff kitchen, storage room, and a dedicated laundry room. 12 East 63rd Street, New York. This newly transformed 7-story mansion comes with a stunning interior design by Thierry W. Despond, LLD, and its architectural mastery by Pierre-Yves Rochon. Located in the Upper East Side and currently estimated to sell at about $63, this massive townhouse has 7 bedrooms and other rooms, accumulating 14 rooms altogether. The 7 levels are all luxurious, and the home is ideal for people who love to entertain, with over 13,000 square feet of internal space. An internal elevator connects each level from the basement to a personal private rooftop garden. The lower level has a fitness center like a resort and is complete with a massage room, steam room, a gymnasium, and a 20-foot swimming pool. The entertainment zone is customized with a built-in wet bar. This breathtaking Manhattan mansion provides total privacy and is a few footsteps away from Central Park. It also offers easy access to the neighborhood's finest restaurants, cafe scenes, theaters, and galleries. 217 West 57th Street, Apartment 115, New York. Put on sale for $63.7 million, Residence 115 at Central Park Tower is extraordinary and offers the perfect amount of space, privacy, design, and views. With 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, the home measures about 7,074 square feet of space and stands at an elevation of over 1,192 feet. Candidly, the building provides an iconic 360-degree view of Central Park, the East and Hudson Rivers, and the Manhattan skyline. The design of this home gives residents breathtaking views from every room because of its versatile layout, which consists of a library located adjacent to the Grand Salon that offers a rather stunning direct view of Central Park. The western wing of this residence is mainly the primary bedroom suite, which features a formal sitting room, walk-in closet, expansive dressing room, separate private entrance, oversized and suite bath, and sleeping quarters. The eat-in kitchen is equipped with custom finishes and premium appliances, including a breakfast room and another separate space for the staff suite. 53 53rd Street, West Penthouse 78, New York. This home combines the entire 78th and 79th floors to accumulate more than 7,000 square feet of space and sells for around $65.7 million. It is a 4-bedroom residence fitted with 4 bathrooms and north, south, east, and west-facing exposures that span across Central Park, the Hudson River, and the East River City skyline. The interior design of the home was done by Thierry Despont, who employed museum-quality finishes. The primary suite gives a panoramic view across the north, south, and east, and even has a large walk-in closet and an oversized ensuite bath filled with radiant heated floors, including south and east-facing exposures. Other features of the residence include 2 magnificent bedrooms that share access to a windowed bathroom covered in high-honed Verona limestone and polished nickel Dombracht fixtures. The home has a dramatic interior staircase that residents can access if they don't feel the need to use the interior elevator. 111 West 57th Street, Penthouse 72, New York. This triple Penthouse 72 is a spectacular, one-of-a-kind penthouse residence that gives the majesty of an expansive indoor-outdoor living across 3 full floors, all with breathtaking, unobstructed 360-degree views centered all over of Central Park to the north. The triplex has about 7,130 feet of the beautifully furnished interior, with 4 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. Its private loggia is approximately 1,367 square feet, giving for an elevated, sheltered, open-air entertaining experience unrivaled in Central Park South. The home price is placed at $66 million, justified by the richly detailed residential interiors designed by Studio Sofield. The extended height entrance gallery is designed with white Mac Aura stone floors and has an oval staircase that connects the upper and lower interior levels. On the lower floor is a formal great hall with custom smoked gray solid oak parquet floors and a monumental ceiling height of about 14 feet. The residence upper interior floor is accessible by staircase or a private elevator. It also features a lavish master suite on the park, complete with a sitting room, a wet bar, 2 dressing halls, and an expansive walk-in closet. The residence has 2 additional guest bedrooms, a library that offers breathtaking city exposures, and 2 full baths adorned in silver marble. You can also get dedicated services and butler stations that can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. As a resident, you are open to an 82-foot, 2-lane swimming pool that has 2 private cabanas, treatment rooms, a separated sauna, and a double-height fitness center designed with a mezzanine terrace. 2 Park Place Unit Pinnacle, New York. This Pinnacle penthouse was developed by Alchemy Properties and is New York's preeminent residence. At 727 feet high, the 5-story home spans 9,680 square feet of interior space and a private 408 square foot observatory terrace. The apartment features about 125 windows, a private interior elevator, and 24-foot ceilings. Designed by Thierry Despont, this home offers white glove services and amenities, including the Gilbert Lounge, wine cellar, tasting room, bike room, pool, fitness studio, and a residents-only lobby. With a single bedroom and single bathroom, the home is sold for roughly $79 million. 973 Fifth Avenue, New York. Considered one of the most notable private residences in New York City, the building that stands across 15,000 square feet of space was built by the most sought-after architect in American history. The apartment is located in the most exemplary block of Fifth Avenue, the only block in the Upper East Side where high-rise apartments aren't allowed. Following many years of restoration, the house is now fitted to suit modern home design since it was constructed in 1906. The home remains intact, and everything to facilitate modern convenience has been upgraded. The house has an entire frontage on Fifth Avenue and glorious views from entertaining rooms with over 16-foot ceilings, easily topping the trees and providing beautiful views over Central Park. It features grand rooms for formal entertainment and other cozy rooms for otherwise intimate gatherings. Spanning across 7 floors, the home has a rooftop garden and patio lifted high above Central Park, and an open 180-degree view to the west side skyline. The house has 9 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms and is on sale for about $80 million. 635 West 42nd Street, Unit 45th floor, New York. The The building owner is offering an entire floor for sale, and included in the sale is a $2 million construction credit and another $1 million yacht with docking fees for 5 years. Also available with the home are 2 Rolls-Royce Phantoms, where one is a convertible and the other a hardtop, a Lamborghini Aventador Roadster, a weekly dinner for 2 at Daniel Balud's restaurant for a year, a Hamptons mansion rental for summer, butler services for 1 year, which will include a private chef, and ultimately courtside season tickets to the Brooklyn Nets for a year. Many celebrities call the building their home, and it has become a Manhattan luxury landmark. Each unit provides breathtaking and unobstructed double exposure to the city and rivers from expansive floor-to-ceiling windows. The apartment is valued at $85 million and has stainless steel kitchen features including a dishwasher, stove, and microwave. Fitted with white oak flooring, marble bathrooms, walk-in closets with glass pantries, granite countertops in the kitchen, and several building amenities such as a 24-hour valet, tennis court, large lap swimming pool, golf driving range, sauna, multimedia lounge for residents, a fitness center, and a billiards room. This home provides everything to aid your living and help you balance work with your daily activities. The building also provides a bike storage room, basketball courts, and barbecue grills with 10 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms. 217 West 57th Street, Units 127 and 128, New York. Put on sale for an estimated price of $150 million, this home covers 11,535 square feet of space and stands at over 1,300 feet in the sky. Residences 127 and 128 are considered the highest duplex in Central Park Tower. This trophy has breathtaking sweeping views that cover Central Park, the Hudson River, and the skyline. The home is fitted with 8 bedroom suites and 9 full bathrooms. The house also has a powder room and is often considered a spectacular residence following its soaring ceiling that reaches 146 feet. Every room has floor-to-ceiling windows, and the grand salon spans over 50 feet with 3 walls of windows as the centerpiece. The windows offer the ideal setting for entertaining with 270 degrees of captivating panoramic views. Adjacent to the grand salon is a 30-foot-long formal dining room at a corner and an observatory that opens to a library that overlooks Central Park. The home is a walk-in closet, a sweeping staircase, and a private elevator. 432 Park Avenue Penthouse, New York. Located at the world's most celebrated luxury tower, the penthouse of 432 Park Avenue is a trophy that cannot be compared to any other home in the city. The house is selling for an estimated $170 million, and the house comes with furniture and art in a new interior space of more than 8,000 square feet. The home includes several unique features: a 93-foot extended living and dining room with a 360-degree view over Manhattan, accessible through 240 linear feet of glass. This home has the perfect layout, including 6 bedrooms and a library, 7 full bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, and a collection of high-end fixtures and finishes such as herringbone white oak floors and designer furniture from Fendi, Bentley, and Hermès. A private elevator landing opens into a great sweeping room with a wood-burning fireplace and a formal dining area. The eat-in kitchen has the most stunning views of Central Park and is designed with marble floors, countertops, and natural oak cabinets. While the master suite is essentially different from the remaining 5 bedrooms, they also come with ample closet space and full en-suite bathrooms. The building comes with lifestyle amenities like a private restaurant and lounge, a 75-foot indoor pool, excellent fitness center, a yoga studio, sauna, steam and massage rooms, an outdoor terrace, a screening room, conference and billiards room, a library, as well as a children's playroom. We have come to the end of the video, so share the video with your friends and support us by clicking the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get a first-hand alert as the content comes.